Get ready to save big money on the 15 brand new items I'm going to show you from Dollar Tree. This is Shannon from Skip to My Life, where I teach you how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. Here is a 5-minute hack for beautiful patriotic decor. You're going to want to pick up a blue lighted jump rope from the kids section, as well as one of these flag hanging pennants from the patriotic section. And then I also used this glittery duct tape. Follow the direction and insert 2 AA batteries into that lighted jump rope. It just fits into one handle, so the other handle is there just for decor. And then I'm going to demonstrate this to you on my mantle, but you could hang it from a fence, you could hang it from a table, anywhere you need a little pop of patriotic decor. Once you hang the garland as is, go back and cut off some more of those red, white, and blue flags and just duct tape them on to the spaces. Now you could turn the lights off during the day if you'd like and then turn them on at night. It's really simple to operate this little jump rope, but I'm going to show you another hack that dupes these outdoor lights for a fraction of the cost. One problem with the long strands of tube lights is that sometimes they're too long for a small project like this flower box, or they're not close to the outlet that I need. So these little jump ropes are going to come in and decorate all those tiny little spots in your backyard and make them look totally magical. If you're already getting some great ideas today, let me know by clicking that like button. And if you haven't already, I would love to have you subscribe to Skip to My Life. Well, summertime is a time when Dollar Tree puts out these styrofoam ice chests. Now, you'll find them usually in the front of the store by the ice machine, and make sure when you purchase it that you get a top and a bottom. With those large poster letters from the teachers section, I wrote, "Take one on the top." Now, this is going on my front porch for any neighbors that might come by and need a cool drink, or for delivery truck drivers. But here's a second Dollar Tree hack for these little styrofoam coolers. Simply spray paint them the color of your choice, and we're going to make it look like a high-end cement planter. Make sure that you allow some drainage holes in the bottom of the styrofoam planter. It's really easy to poke these just with a sharp pair of scissors, and I probably should have done that before I spray painted. Now, all you'll need to do is snap that lid onto the bottom of the cooler, and you have a beautiful high-end looking flower planter. If you're brand new to my channel, a great big virtual welcome to you. Please comment below and let me know how we found each other. I'm planning even more outdoor DIYs for you, so comment below and let me know what you would like me to feature. Well, for many of us, summer means travel, and travel means unhealthy snacks, but I'm going to show you how to break that habit affordably. These new brand name Fruit Puree packets come in 3 separate flavors, and they rival the Go-Go Squeeze packets for much less. Now, these Fruit Puree packets are found in the kids section and baby section, but I love to use them myself when I'm traveling. They're just about 60 calories. I'll show you how much you get. It's not a lot, but it's just enough to tide you over until you can get somewhere and have a nice, healthy meal. My second travel snack favorite is these Munch King plantain chips. Whenever I see these at Dollar Tree, I make sure to snap them up. Plantains are a fruit that looks kind of like a banana, but it's a little bit denser. It's much healthier for you than potato chips, and you get about 3 healthy servings in this bag. Well, Dollar Tree always carries these plastic coiled hair ties, and I love them because they do not leave lines in your hair. They're so much more expensive on Amazon, and Dollar Tree has come out with some beautiful new colors. Now, you'll want to travel down the sock aisle where you will find so many options for summer-themed socks. But next, I'm going to show you a really simple, affordable Dollar Tree hack for any parties or gifting that you may have coming up. Since most of these socks come 2 to a pack, the total cost of this gift is about $1 each, and no one will know where you got it or how much you spent on it. You may have guessed by now that we're making a simple Dollar Tree sock cupcake. Now, when they receive this gift, they will get a hair tie, they'll get a pair of socks, and it's all going to be so cutely packaged. I chose 1 pink piece of table scatter from the party section and just ran a quick wire through it. Now that's going to be the cherry on top of this cupcake. Slip the whole thing in one of the Dollar Tree cellophane bags and tie it off with a cute bow, and you have an ultra adorable gift. This would be really nice if you wanted to include a gift card as well. Brand new at Dollar Tree is this Harry and David specialty coffee. This retails for much more online, as well as this new Jim Beam brand. Now, I did find this exact packet. Someone was selling it on Amazon for about $8. Dollar Tree always has ultra cute coffee mugs, and whenever I see Godiva chocolate at Dollar Tree, I know it's going to be a fraction of the cost of what I would pay in stores or online. Here's another Dollar Tree gift hack for you. Just put some of that coffee in a Ziploc bag in your coffee mug. Then place a coffee filter on top. Now this is going to be our faux whipped cream. And then on top of that, place one of those Godiva chocolates. This is another Dollar Tree gift hack that would be wonderful with just a little $5 Starbucks gift card. I like to keep some of these made-up gifts around during the summer for thank you gifts and the birthday gift that comes up that maybe you weren't planning for. Well, ordinarily on this channel, I tell you about great ideas for small space living and decor and organizing, but today I just wanted to share some of these incredible Dollar Tree finds with you. I found these beautiful journals at Dollar Tree, and they rival some of the Dayspring journals. Now, I'm going to link my favorite Dayspring journals for summer below because I think some of these are really worth the price. You'll also want to stock up on some of these brightly colored gift bags. Now, I always look for the ones that come 2 for $1.25, as well as gift tissue in these beautiful prints and colors. I love to get 1 packet of the solid colors and 1 packet of the prints, and this way I can mix and match the two. If you're looking for an extra special spa day treat, you're going to want to check out these hydrating gloves from Dollar Tree. Once you take them out of the package, lay them flat on your surface, and then you'll need to separate them by cutting on the scored line. I love the pattern on these. I think these would make an adorable gift. They smell like rose fragrance. They feel wonderful on your hands. And once you've separated them, all you need to do is slip them on, and then you'll want to take off that adhesive backing, and you can wear them for a long time. So here's another idea for a gift hack from Dollar Tree. I am always looking for these New Testaments. These are large print, easy to read, as well as a couple of these beautiful summer journals from Dollar Tree. Another gift giving hack, if you're giving items like these in your gift bag, place them in the bag upright before you place the tissue paper. This way you know that that bag is not going to topple to one side or another. And once you put that tissue paper in, no one can see what's in the bag. I think the most exciting Dollar Tree summer items were those I found in the personal care and the travel section. So let me start with these contact lens cases. These cases are the perfect size for storing earrings and small jewelry when you travel, and you have 2 sides, 1 for each pair of earrings. Now, not only do these store really safely when you travel, but they make a great little case to keep on your counter, and you're getting so many of these for just $1.25. Well, now let's head over to the travel section, and this is usually kept with the toiletries in my store. Dollar Tree is carrying 3 separate types of travel containers. Now, if you can't find these at first, look around. I found a lot of these on the very tippy top shelf of my Dollar Tree. These come in several adorable colors, but I just wanted to go with a classic look of the white and clear. If you purchase all 3 types of travel containers, you will get 5 what I call toggle top containers, 2 flip top containers, 1 spray container, 1 ointment type container, and also a loofah sponge. Oh, and I forgot to add the toothbrush cover, which I will show you in just a minute. Well, now comes the fun part. We're actually going to label and organize all these travel containers with items that are my favorites for summer travel. If you would like more information on my favorite label maker as well as some of my favorite summer toiletries, all you need to do is click the down arrow in the description box or check out the very top comment. I love Pacifica products and especially their scented products. This Laneige SPF 50 face sunscreen is a little bit on the pricey side, but I use it only on my face and it lasts me until the expiration date. This purple shampoo is great for summer to keep lightened hair from turning brassy. My favorite shower scrub is from Dollar Tree. It's the Speed Stick Sandalwood Smash and it smells amazing. Well, I travel with Vaseline to take off eye makeup and to moisturize my lips and my cuticles. Let me know what your must-have travel toiletry is. The Dollar Tree toothbrush cover works really well, and the little loofah in the travel package is a perfect size to put in your carry case. This is my very favorite cosmetic bag for travel, and I am going to link to that below. I found it on Amazon, and I use it every day now, but I know that I am fully stocked now for any trips that I have coming up. I am considering doing another episode just on travel organization, my favorite travel tips, my favorite packing tips. If that is something that you're interested in, comment below and let me know. Well, if you've been with me for a while, you know that my daughter is getting married later this summer, so we are planning a couple of trips surrounding that, and we are really looking forward to it. This next brand new item at Dollar Tree is found in the Dollar Tree Plus section. These plastic baskets with handles cost $3 a piece, and they are worth every penny. They're perfect for carrying swimwear, they're perfect for organizing your trunk, and just lately I realized how wonderful they are in grocery shopping. They're so much better than those fabric bags with handles. They keep their shape and store so easily. Please don't forget, my friend, that today is not the end of your story. Do not give up.